Hi friends, welcome to my channel JJ Pathfinder. Today I am going to explaining about how to book a flight ticket through MakeMyTrip application. MakeMyTrip application is a popular application. It helps us to book flight tickets, train, bus, homestays, and hotels, etc. If you have not opened an account on MakeMyTrip application, I have already uploaded a video for how to open a account in MakeMyTrip application. You will get the video link on this video description. Firstly, watch that video, then coming to this video. For booking flight ticket through MakeMyTrip application, firstly download the app. You will get the link of the application on this video description. Firstly download the app, then open the app. This is the home page of MakeMyTrip application. Just select the flights option, then select the one way. In this video I am showing how to book a flight ticket from New Delhi to Bangalore on 25 October. Firstly select the starting point on this area, then enter the destination point on this area. Firstly I selected New Delhi and then select Bangalore. Then select your traveling date from this calendar. Then select how many members are traveling on this ticket. Here I am selected one traveler and I selected class economy. You can select your favorable class. Then select the option search flights. These are the list of flights traveling from New Delhi to Bangalore on 25 October. You will get the flight rate on this right side, and this is the starting time, and this is the traveling end time, and starting point and destination point, and the travel duration in between starting point and destination, and this is the company of the airways. These are the details of a flight. Please select your favorable flight after sorting your criteria. Here I am selecting this flight. This flight is Indigo flight and travel from New Delhi to Bangalore in early morning 6 o'clock, and it reaches in Bangalore in 8:35 in the morning. And I like this flight, and I am booking my flight ticket on this flight. So I selected this flight, and after selecting that flight, you can get a list of baggage, and cabin baggage can carry 7 kg, and a check-in baggage has allowed 15 kgs, and cancellation fees is starting from 3000. And then select the book now option, then select saver option. Saver option is the cheapest services option. If you select premium options, popular choices, you will pay more amount. I am selecting cheap services compared to other. Then continue, then again continue, click on again continue, then enter your traveler details here. Enter the gender, male or female, and also first name and last name. Here I am this is my first name, and this is the last name. Just clearly enter first name and last name on this section and enter your email ID and mobile number here. Then click on continue. Then if you like to add insurance, you can add this pack. Otherwise, we'll take this risk and skip that option. I am skip that option. Then review the details of passenger details here. Just check that details. Then click on confirm. Then this is the seat selection area. You can select your favorable seat from here. This green seats are free and this blue seats are rated in between 99 to 250, and you can select your favorable seat from here. I have selected a green seat and this is free, 26B, 26, and this is the B seat, and you can select your favorable seat. Here I am selected free seat. After selecting seat, continue, click on continue. Then you can add on package here, multiple facilities from here. If you don't like to add on packs, you can skip these options. Just click on continue to move next. Then continue anyway, click on continue anyway, and this is the last segment and the payment section of this booking. And you can available multiple options for pay this ticket: UPI, net banking, debit card, and pay later net banking. Here I am selecting net banking option and continue with the net banking, because net banking is commonly used procedure for payment in any section. Proceed to pay, click on proceed to pay. Then click on continue and just enter your user ID and password here. Then log in your net banking and pay the appropriate amount on this section. After complete your payment, you will automatically redirect the page into your MakeMyTrip application, and you will get the details of your booked ticket, and you can travel by the screenshot of this ticket, or you can download the PDF of the ticket, and during the traveling you should carry the ID card of your passenger ID card. I think this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. You will get the link of the MakeMyTrip application on this video description. You can just click on that link and firstly download the link, then open the account and book your favorable flight ticket on this method. Thank you.